Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my craft shop. So today we're going to have an eBay haul. I've saved it for about a week or so. So I got them all together. Here they are. So let's get going and let's get through them. It might be package ruffling today. Let me go ahead and do this since it's already open. I got this from a seller. Let me see what I wrote. One on me. Anal. Okay, this is a Christmas front door, and what I want to do is start making some little front door pockets for my journals. And it's the Christmas front door, and that's, you know, they don't have anything like my front doors, so I'm buying different ones. And this is $3 1/4 by $3 1/4, and I paid $3.22 for it. It was brand new. I used it because I never used stamps like this. So and this is me trying, and I will practice and get this going straight. Let me make sure my phone is turned off. But here is the print on it. And that's what it'll do. So, yep, $3.22 and $4.25 to ship it. So the total was $7.92, and that's cheaper than buying it anywhere else online. And I got red ink on me. So the second item was turquoise pom-poms, and it's supposed to be 36 feet. We'll see. And they're inch, it says an inch by 36. And in my junk journals, I'm going to put pom-poms on the side. I love that look. Oh yeah, this is just gorgeous. Don't know what it came off of, but you know it come off of something. And I'm gonna have to figure out another way to do this. Oh, they're in sections. Okay, never mind. Whew. So here they are. Really nice. This is not cheap. This is nice, good pom-poms that went on something. So they must have took them off of some kind of furniture, pillows, something. So I got 36 feet of it, and it was $8. It was on. They gave me a discount. You know how you put stuff in your cart or like it? Some eBay sellers will come back and give you a discount. So it was $13. They offered me $8 for it, and I said yes. So $8 for the trim and $4.57 to ship it. So now I got me some. I don't know what I'm going to use. I guess for shabby chic. Might have some Christmas. I could put the pink and blue together for Christmas. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, let's see which one is this. This is number 5. So it was a Walt Disney Golden Book. Y'all know I'm making a Golden Book junk journals right now. And I have quite a few. Probably about, I don't even remember how many I have now. I got them off of eBay too. Or Amazon, one of the two. But I wanted this one because I bought paper from Temu. And this is new. And it is the Alice in Wonderland. Got the tags on the back, so it is new. I already got this edges all roughed up. It's got a beautiful golden spine, so I won't know how to do the golden spine. I have to put some gold brads, but yeah, I'm gonna make a junk journal out of this. So this was $4.54, which is high, but it was free ship. You can't get shipping that cheap. And this is a bound printed mailer, where most of them are usually media mail. But $4.54 for that. Great deal. Can't wait to start. I'll start on that after my Halloween and my Christmas junk journals, because I'm just not in the mood for any kind of plain, regular, right now journals. Okay. This one's a big old fatty. I didn't open these. He used USPS media mail to send this, and this is it's a pretty good size book. And I don't know if I shared with y'all, I bought a whole collection of these books for junk journaling. What I was going to do is going to take all the pages out, and then I was going to make junk journals. But then after I bought them and got them home, I realized they are too big for junk journals. See? U.S. Media Mail. It's cheaper to send stuff y'all that way. Okay. Oh, you wrote a... Carolsue, thank you for ordering with me and paying promptly. It is appreciated. Please leave positive feedback for me as I will do for you. Take care, Scott. So that's really sweet. I love when it only takes a few seconds to do something like this, and the impact of it is so greatly appreciated. It's manners, people. It's manners. I do it to every order I do for my shirts and stuff. I always add a thank you, and sometimes I add coins, but you're going to get a thank you from me because I appreciate it. But here it is. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the embossed of it? The wood grain, the leather grain of it. And this is a 1973 the Ratu family. There's a 1973 version of the Indians ones from the Old West, and it's a Time Life book. Oops, I guess I got it upside down. But I'm keeping the Chiefs, and I ordered this, the Indians, because I didn't have it in my collection, and y'all know my love of Indians. So it's going for my personal. And I'll be looking at it and reading through it and all that good stuff. So this was, I'm sorry, did I tell you the price of this? It was $5.30. Shipping was free. And I paid, I got 9 books, $40 here locally. So, good deal on that. And here's the last one for today. And I waited so long for this one to come. And it was sent media mail also. Media mail is cheaper, y'all. So if you send anything, book stuff, like your junk journals and stuff, send it media mail. I'm telling you. Alright, checked it to make sure, and I wanted to check all the... I want y'all to tell me who remembers this. My kids, I remember when I was in school, but I remember more for my kids, and especially my grandson Jason. Scholastics. Remember when book fairs happened, and you'd always ask your parents or your grandparents or whoever for some money for the book fair? And so these are all book fair Halloween kids books, and I am going to deconstruct every one of them and use them in my junk journals for Halloween. Haunted Hayride, and these are all used. This is all black and white, so that one's going to be good. Magic Mac and a jack-o'-lantern. These are going to be so cute in my junk journals, y'all. So, the night before Halloween, I think they're all scholastic, except this one isn't. Let me rephrase that. Walk back, Carolsue. A lot of them are. I'd say half. Yeah. This is Scholastic, and look at the graphics on this. I mean, you can't beat that. And it's going to go into my journals. My grandkids are all too old to read these. The ones that I have of theirs, which they have quite a few Halloween books, I can't deconstruct them. Not my own grandkids' books. I have too many memories with them, and they are on a shelf. But so that's why I had to buy new. So I got that. Well, not new. And this one is Can I Read? Level 1. It's pre-grade. And it's in a dark room. It's really great illustrations. Ooh. So this is going to be great too, because you just need extra filler pages, so you don't have to use so much scrapbooking paper or any kind of printables. And here's one, The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. Comment down below if y'all had or your kids, anybody has one of these books or had one. I seen someone made a junk journal, and I recognized it from this book. they have pages of the little old lady. Here, let me scoot up, y'all. Scoot up in my chair. Pull my shorts down. Y'all don't need to be seeing my chunky little legs. But that's the little old lady. I miss reading to my grandkids. But these are going to make gorgeous pages. Okay. The Monster Under My Bed. This one's not elastic either. This one's old. I don't know what my oldest one is. I hope it's got some, oh, it's got a ghost. So I'm going to have this one. Okay. Room on the Broom. This is a hardback. That's my refrigerator. I got the refrigerator from Lowe's, and I don't know why it cracks, but it always cracks all the time. So this is going to be really cute in my cutesy journals. All these are the cutesy Halloween journals, and I got enough to make me some. Okay, this is another Scholastic Trick or Treat. Those are really, really cool. Really pretty ones. I might leave some intact. I don't know yet. Like if I find one that I really like, I might leave the story intact, like the little golden books, and just make a junk journal for it. Okay. Who will haunt my house on Halloween? Ooh. I'm a Halloween freak, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but I had a professional haunted house in my yard and my farm for, oh my goodness, 11 years. So yes, we are big Halloween fanatics around here. Well, see the graphics in this and the colorful details. You can't get something this. I mean, it's so pretty. Kind of reminds me of Casper, don't it? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, and the last one is Pick a Pumpkin, Mrs. Millie. And it's a Scholastic. Oh, that's good little mouse in there. So yes, I got all 10 books. Let's see. 10 children's books for $15.26, and it's ship free. And I think I seen on the package, no, it was on the other package. I don't know how much shipping was. But, so 10 books for $15. You can't beat that. You can't. Because right now I'm looking at 27 books for $27 or $30. It's just like these, but more. And yeah, so I think it's a great deal. Like I said, they all gonna be just deconstructed, altered, and put in junk journals for Halloween. So I can't wait to start making my Halloween. I gotta get some more. I have little to none scrapbooking papers, so I have to get up on that, and I have to get some more trim and stuff. So I hope y'all liked my haul, and that's my eBay haul. Like I said, I got a lot of great deals. A lot of great deals, y'all. I was 6 years old when this came out, the collection of it. So hope y'all liked my haul, and I'll see y'all again next week. Bye, y'all.